The Nike Kobe 8 Mambacurial is set to make a powerful comeback in fall 2026, returning as one of the most anticipated Kobe retros for sneaker fans and collectors. First released in 2013, this iconic cross-sport design merges Kobe Bryant's basketball dominance with the speed-driven style of Mercurial soccer boots. The retro brings back its signature gradient pink to purple upper, bold oversized lateral Nike branding, and the unmistakable Volt outsole with Kobe's emblem underneath. The classic Mambacurial heel detail also returns, solidifying its identity as one of the most unique colorways in the Kobe line. Nike updates the model with modern Kobe tooling while keeping the lightweight engineered mesh and responsive cushioning that made the Kobe 8 a performance favorite. With Kobe retros being a major pillar in Nike's long-term strategy, this release stands out as a headline drop for 2026 and a must-watch for basketball and sneaker communities.